Want to easily receive crypto on Bybit? Then let's dive straight into finding your unique deposit address. First, head to Bybit's website and log into your account if you're already logged in. Great. Next, find the Assets tab, usually located at the top right-hand corner of your screen, and give it a click. This will take you to your assets overview now. Look for the deposit button. It's usually quite prominent, located alongside other options like withdrawal and transfer. Click on that deposit button. A window will pop up asking you to choose the cryptocurrency you wish to deposit. Use the search bar to quickly find the cryptocurrency you need. For example, if you want to deposit Bitcoin, type BTC. After selecting your cryptocurrency, you will need to select the deposit network. Make sure you select the correct network. For example, if you are depositing Bitcoin through the Bitcoin network, be sure to select the Bitcoin network. And there you have it. Your unique deposit address for that specific cryptocurrency will be displayed. Along with a handy QR code, you can copy the address and give it to the person sending you crypto. Or use the QR code for mobile transactions. Remember to double-check the address before sending any crypto. Now you can easily receive crypto in your Bybit wallet.